Hey there, flight enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of soaring into the skies as a flight attendant? Well, buckle up and let's talk about how to make that dream a reality. First off, there's no magic formula to be a flight attendant. It's more about your skills, personality, and qualifications. Let's break down what you need to know. Start with your education. A high school diploma or equivalent is a must. Added bonus? A degree in hospitality or customer service can give you an edge in the industry. Next, take care of yourself. Flight attendants need to be in top shape physically and mentally. Keep fit, stay healthy, and maintain a positive outlook on life. Then there's the practical stuff: training. Most airlines have their own training programs, where you'll learn about safety protocols, customer service techniques, and emergency procedures. Be prepared for both classroom sessions and on-the-job training like simulations or mock flights. And don't forget the soft skills: communication, teamwork, problem solving. These are all key to excelling in this role. You need to be able to handle stress and keep calm under pressure, as unexpected situations can arise during flights. Lastly, remember that airline hiring decisions are based on many factors like your experience, if any, languages spoken, especially if you can speak multiple languages, and how well you present yourself during the interview process. So there you go. The journey to becoming a flight attendant involves hard work on multiple fronts: physical fitness, academic knowledge, real-life experience, soft skills development, and professional presentation during interviews. Good luck on your journey. If this video was helpful or inspiring for you or someone you know who wants to embark on this journey, hit that like button and share away. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more fun content like this one. Until next time, flight enthusiasts.